Alright, look at this. This isn't a smartwatch, it's an earbud case. Soundcore just dropped the Liberty 5 Pro Max, and they basically went mad scientist on it. We've got a massive AMOLED screen right on the front, and a dedicated AI neural chip built straight into the hardware. Which makes me wonder, Soundcore has built its entire reputation on being the budget king, giving you 90% of the premium flagship experience for half the price. But with the new Liberty 5 Pro Max, they're swinging for the fences, entering a completely different price bracket, and packing in features that sound like pure marketing buzzword salad. I mean, a neural net computer in-memory AI chip, a literal Guinness World Record for call quality, whatever that means, and a massive smartwatch-like touchscreen on a case that doubles as an AI meeting recorder. On paper, it looks like a dream pair of earbuds, but at over $200, some of these features are going to make you ask, do I actually need this, or is it just tech for the sake of tech? Let's get into it. Let's start with the elephant in the room, the huge case and that massive touchscreen on top of it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why do I need a display on my earbud case? And I would agree. I'm the type of person that will put my old earbuds case in my pocket with coins, keys, and whatever small thing I randomly need to carry. Let's be honest, it's an extra screen to scratch, another battery to degrade, and it turns your earbud case into something you suddenly feel the need to baby. So, what are the benefits? It comes down to device independence. If you're connected to a gaming console, a laptop, or an in-flight entertainment system that doesn't support the Soundcore app, you usually lose all your customization. Not here. With the 5 Pro Max, the case is the app. Swiping down gives you quick toggles for Bluetooth devices and spatial audio. On the sides, you can toggle between media control, sound effects, and ambient sound. And swiping up opens an entire app drawer where you can adjust ANC levels, customize EQ presets, turn on Dolby Audio, or even use the case as a remote shutter to take a picture with your phone. The UI feels like a smartwatch. You can even upload your own custom wallpaper to the case via the app. Yeah, it's a bit extra, but for power users who juggle multiple non-smartphone devices, it solves a genuine real-world frustration. But the wildest feature built into this case is the AI note taker. The Pro Max case literally has its own built-in microphones. You tap the icon, start recording, and it captures the audio of your meeting or lecture. You can press the physical button on the back of this case to drop a flag on important moments. And later, when you open the app on your phone, it syncs the audio, provides a full written transcription, a smart one-page summary, and even identifies different speakers. So it's a massive productivity tool built right into the thing you're already carrying in your pocket. So what about that Guinness World Record for call quality? These buds pack 8 standard microphones and 2 bone-conduction mics. And I feel like every audio company claims crystal clear calls, so let's stop talking about it and just test it in some demanding environments.
Okay guys, now I'm outside right next to a busy street. You're gonna see cars, trucks driving by. Also, it's pretty windy because I'm right next to an airport. For comparison, this is the sound from my iPhone. This is what noise captures, so you can compare. Now back to Liberty 5 Pro Max. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with what they can cancel from my surroundings. But truth is, I mean, they can talk about this Guinness World Record for calls quality or whatever. But I feel like my voice, my own voice, is super processed, and I'm not sure if I wouldn't rather have some more background noise in my audio, but my voice sound a little bit more realistic. But I don't know. You be the judge. Yeah, this is the sample.
Yeah, the noise isolation on the microphone is truly unbelievable. I can only imagine the crazy, chaotic environments people are going to comfortably take calls from while talking to their bosses with these in. The active noise cancellation is equally impressive. You get 5 manual levels plus an adaptive mode powered by that new neural net chip, and the results are stellar. It is easily one of the quietest, most pressure-free ANC experiences I've had with any earbuds to date. The software and hardware actually work together seamlessly here to deliver an elite experience rather than just filling out a specs sheet. but I absolutely have to mention a critical software issue I experienced during my testing. After about half an hour of continuous listening, the earbuds suddenly went completely haywire on two separate occasions, rapidly driving my music volume up and down on their own. This happened even with ANC, transparency and easy chat features completely turned off. The only solution was to put them back in a case, close it, and take them back out to reset them. That was incredibly frustrating because both of my hands were completely full of heavy grocery bags at the time. It's almost certainly a launch window software bug that I really hope Soundcore patches soon, but as a reviewer, I had to let you know. Of course, all these features don't mean much if they sound terrible. Fortunately, they don't. The Liberty 5 Pro Max supports LDAC for high-res audio, Bluetooth 6.1 and Dolby Atmos head tracking for a full 360-degree spatial audio experience. Inside the Soundcore app you get an 8-band custom EQ, but my favorite feature here is Hear ID 5.0. It runs you through a quick A/B hearing test, basically asking does this sound better or does this, and builds a custom sound profile perfectly tuned to your specific ears. And for productivity, Soundcore upgraded the multi-device connection. Instead of the standard 2, these can connect to 3 devices simultaneously. Having these seamlessly switch between your work laptop, your smartphone and a TV without dropping a beat is a massive quality of life upgrade. In the box, Soundcore includes 4 extra sets of silicone ear tips and 2 extra sets of wingtips. The wingtips really lock the buds into your ear, making them more secure for workouts. Plus, the silicone tips have a built-in mesh screen, making them way easier to clean. As for the battery life, you're looking at about 6.5 hours of playback with ANC turned on and a total of 28 hours using the case. Turn ANC off and that jumps to about 12 hours on the buds and 50 hours with the case. It's not a bad result, but with the case being this big, I would expect some more playback time. Thankfully, if you're in a rush, a quick 5-minute fast charge will net you 4 hours of playback. And the case supports wireless charging as well, so that's good. So let's bring it all home. The Soundcore Liberty 5 Pro Max come in 2 colors, black and titanium. They retail for $229.99. Between the massive leap in ANC, the incredibly clean microphone array, the 3-device multipoint and genuinely useful AI note taker built into the case, this isn't just a gimmick. It's a seriously powerful tool for both audiophiles and professionals. But I've got to be totally honest with you guys. I don't think they are the right match for me personally. Even though I'm a tech reviewer and I absolutely love cool gimmicks, these just don't fit my personal daily lifestyle, and frankly, I would be way too scared of breaking or scratching that beautiful case out in the real world. But I've left links in the description below if you want to check them out. Let me know in the comments what do you think of having a touchscreen on your earbud case. Genius or overkill? I'm Miles, you're now miles ahead, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.